you suffer from stress, anxiety, or panic attacks? If you do, then keep watching this video where I share a 3-step process of how to overcome those panic or anxiety attacks in the moment before they begin to take a hold. Hey guys, my name is Aaron and I help people to become their true and authentic self. In today's video, I want to share with you a 3-step process of how to overcome or combat anxiety and panic attacks as they begin to happen. And in this 3-step process, it is important to recognize when an anxiety or panic attack is about to begin so that we can begin these steps or this process before the actual attack begins to really take effect. So without further ado, let's get into this 3-step process. The first step is to just sit for a second and take a deep breath in through the nose and watch your belly rise. Release the breath very slowly through your mouth. And as you breathe, make sure that you are breathing as deeply as possible and repeat this at least 10 times. And step 2, close your eyes. Place a hand just below each shoulder and start to stroke your hand slowly down each arm all the way to your elbow. It's important to make sure you do this very slowly so that it doesn't exacerbate any panic or anxiety attack that you may be having. And the third step is to say to yourself as you stroke your hands down your arms, repeat to yourself with your eyes closed, I am safe, I am calm, I am safe, I am calm. And do this for no less than 5 minutes until you feel completely relaxed and calm. And repeat this anytime you feel an anxiety or panic attack starting to come on, and it will help you to combat these attacks before they take a strong hold over your life. Thanks for watching today's video, guys, and if you did enjoy this or it's helped you in some way, or you know anyone who suffers from anxiety or panic attacks who could benefit from this technique, then please feel free to hit the like button, share and comment on this video as well. As always, guys, stay the amazing, beautiful selves that I know you are. But that's it from me until I see you again in another video. Much love.